want to talk about chord mode on the Arturia MicroFreak. On most synthesizers, I find chord mode generally useless because all you can change is the pitch of the chord. You can't actually switch to like from a major chord to a minor chord or switch to a seventh chord or something like that. So on the MicroFreak, because of its amazing sequencer, you actually can, and it's awesome. Let's check it out. So let's start by initializing our patch by hitting the preset button 3 times. And then let's go to chord mode. Here we are. Okay. And I'm just going to get some nice envelope settings. And now we've got major chord here. And what we want to do is we want to use our sequencer to switch the major chord into a minor chord when we switch sequences. So let's do that. So we can record our sequence to not have any notes and to just be a change in this knob. So I'm going to change it to be a major 7th chord because I like those. So let's do that. We'll go to our next step by clicking this knob over, and then again major 7th, again major 7th, and major 7th. Okay, and now that's only four steps, so I'm going to shorten our sequence to only be 4 steps long, just so it's quicker. Okay, and now if I hit play, it's exactly the same as if I didn't have the sequencer on at all. Oh, you gotta hit play though. Oops, I'm in arpeggio mode. There it is. Okay, so now let's do it with sequence B, and let's change this to be a minor chord. So let's see, let's record it. We'll just say regular old minor, 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 minor. Okay, so oh, we gotta hit play. Now you can hear it's a little slow switching, and that's because of the time division on this. I think we're set to a 16th note right now. So let's set it to a 30-second note triplet, and I'm just gonna leave the tempo at 110 because it's fast enough for me. But there it is. That's how you do it. Enjoy.